Hello everyone, welcome to business statistics class. So in today's video we will solve some more problems on random variables and also we will study the important properties of random variable. So the sixth example is, if expectation of x square is 74 and expectation of x is 5, then find the standard deviation of x. So we know standard deviation is nothing but square root of variance, and variance is expectation of x square minus expectation of x the whole square. So they have given the value of expectation of x square and expectation of x directly. So just substitute in the formula and simplify. So therefore variance of x would be 74 minus 5 whole square, which is 74 minus 25, and the variance of x is 49. Therefore the standard deviation would be square root of variance of x, which is square root of 49. Therefore the standard deviation of x is 7. So the seventh problem is, if variance of x is 9 and expectation of x square is 25, then find expectation of x. So we know the formula of variance, and they have given the value of variance and the value of expectation of x square. So we have to find out expectation of x. So that is 9 is equal to 25 minus expectation of x the whole square. Therefore expectation of x square would be 25 minus 9, which is 60. They have asked just expectation of x. Therefore take the square root, which is plus or minus 60. Therefore expectation of x is plus or minus 4. So the eighth problem is, a person throws a fair coin. He gets rupees 8 if head appears. Otherwise he loses rupees 5. Find his expectation and find the variance. So here they have given that a person tosses a coin, and when he tosses the coin, if the head appears, then he will get rupees 8, and if tail appears, then he will lose 5 rupees. So therefore we have to find the expectation and variance. So let us write the given information in a tabular form, and here let x denote the amount the person gets. Then x is a random variable which takes values 8 and minus 5 with probabilities. That is, p of 8 is p of head, which is 1 by 2. So he gets 8 rupees if head appears, and therefore when you toss a coin, the probability of head is 1 by 2, and probability of getting tail is also 1 by 2. And we have taken x as minus 5 because he loses minus 5. So therefore we have to take it as minus 5, and he gets rupees 8, so therefore it is positive value. Therefore probability of minus 5 would be probability of tail, which is 1 by 2. Therefore the distribution is x takes the value 8 and minus 5, and the corresponding probability would be 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So here 1 by 2 is for head and 1 by 2 is for tail. So when probability is 1 by 2, that is when head appears, he gets 8 rupees, and when the probability is 1 by 2, that is for tail, he loses 5 rupees. So this is the distribution. And now we have to find out the expectation and variance. So we know the formula for expectation, which is summation x into p of x. So that is 8 into 1 by 2 plus minus 5 into 1 by 2, which is 1.5. Therefore your expectation is 1.5. And then we have to find out variance, for which we need expectation of x square, which is summation of x square into p of x. Therefore 8 square into 1 by 2 plus 5 square into 1 by 2, which is 44.5. So therefore variance of x would be expectation of x square minus expectation of x the whole square, that is 44.5 minus 1.5 whole square, which is 42.25. So therefore expectation is rupees 1.5 and variance is 42.25 rupees square. So the ninth problem is a man throws a fair die. If the throw results in an even number, he gets 5 rupees. If the throw results in an odd number, he loses 10 rupees. Find his mathematical expectation. So what they have given, when a man throws a fair die, if the even number appears, he gets rupees 5, or else he loses 10 rupees if an odd number appears. So now let us denote x as the amount that the man gets. Then x is a random variable which takes value 5 and minus 10 with respective probabilities. Therefore, P of 5, that is when he gets 5 rupees, the probability is that there is an even number on the die. So we know the sample space for the given problem is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here there are 3 even numbers, that is 2, 4 and 6. Therefore, the probability of getting even number on die is 3 by 6, because there are 3 favorable outcomes and the total number of outcomes is 6. Therefore, 3 by 6, which is 1 by 2. The probability of 5 is 1 by 2, and P of minus 10 is probability that the odd number appears on the die, which is 3 by 6 again, because there are 3 odd numbers, that is 1, 3 and 5. Therefore, the probability would be 3 by 6 again, which is 1 by 2. So now we can write it in the distribution form, where x is 5 and minus 10 and the respective probability is 1 by 2 each. Therefore, the expectation of x would be summation x into p of x. So 5 into 1 by 2 plus minus 10 into 1 by 2, which is minus 2.5. Therefore, the mathematical expectation is rupees 2.50. Here we have got negative symbol. Therefore, we can say the person is in the loss, that is 2.5 rupees he may lose. So now let us see some of the important results of random variable. So if x is a random variable and a and b are two constants, then the first result is expectation of a is equal to a. So expectation of any constant is the constant itself. That is, suppose expectation of b is again b. So if we have expectation of 3, the answer would be again 3. So expectation of any constant is the constant itself. And the second result is expectation of ax is a into expectation of x, where a is a constant and x is a random variable. The third result is expectation of ax plus b is a into expectation of x plus b. So the fourth result is variance of a is 0, that is variance of any constant is always 0. So the fifth result is variance of ax is a square into variance of x. So the constant gets squared. The last result is variance of ax plus b is a square into variance of x. So the proof of these results is not a part of your syllabus, but these 6 results are very important, and based on these results you may get problems. So using these results you have to simplify those problems. So memorize these 6 important results. So that's it for today's class, and in next video we will solve problems based on these results. Thank you.